today's video. Today's video is going to be another Dollar Tree haul. Yeah, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you a few things that I got that are super duper, a few things that I got that are kind of like regular things that you should find that I think are good buys from there, which is the Reynolds wrap foil sheets, are the 25 sheets. For those of you that make lunch, sandwich lunch every day for your husband, kids, or whoever, yourself, these were really nice. They already come pre-cut, so you don't have to buy these. But they also have the Reynolds wraps in 18 square feet for food and covering other dishes. So they come, I always buy it from there. It's really nice quality. I also got table covers, and I got the red, yellow, and blue for the party. I also got these extra cell more sanitary Brillo brand basic dish sponge. It comes 2 in a pack. I also got these fashion doll shoes. Last time on my other haul, I hauled the Barbie doll or the Barbies or the doll clothes, and they are very nice. They fit really nicely, and Luna wanted this one. This time it has 3 pair of shoes and 3 purses, and then 1 little clip thing for the hair. And I also got these little packets. Is called Lock Top snack container with lids. It comes 3 in a pack. They used to come in 2 in a pack, but this time it's 3 in a pack. I got these because you can literally fit a 24 pack of crayons inside of these little packets, or you literally could use it for anything else. I liked it that it has the little snap-ons like this, and it keeps everything secure. So there's that. I also got these because I was there and they were quick. They're due by April 1st of this year, and they're the Lily Styles milk ham. There's that for that one. I also got these. This thing's over here. I'm trying to be quick because I'm running out of battery. I got this container. I hadn't seen this container before. It has a little snapper thing. There was only one, and look at this. On the back it just says container with lids. It has this little extra compartment here with another little lid, which is kind of convenient for all the Cricut users, crafty makers, and all that stuff. You can have 2 different things in 1 little thing, and it's those little pastel colors that they come with. I got a big Dyer Mills tomato ketchup, and this is due by November 18th of 2021, and it's a big jug. It's the 38 ounce. And I think ketchup just tastes like ketchup either way. Layla got these little chocolates. It says 50 cents and $1 kind of thing. It's like bunny money double crisp chocolates. And then I got these. Look at these. I think these are new. I haven't seen them. They do come in those nice pastel colors. You can see this is the turquoise bluish. They also had the pink one and orange one, almost like this color. They were trying to go with these colors. I wanted the pink one for my daughter's room, but they didn't have any besides the one that they had container with these. But I like this turquoise blue one too, so I got 4 of them, and they are on the collapsible storage container, the 10.5 by 10.5. So these are the bigger ones. These are very handy. I don't know if you still had those other ones that look like they have checkers or like squares, they're lines and stuff, and they have the little lip thing to open it as well. I'm trying to open it, but I can't get the plastic off. Look at this. So there it is, and it has the little bottom thing as well, which is literally a piece of cardboard, and then you just set it on the bottom, and there you have it. Look at this. It's a very nice little squarish container thing, so it's really nice. And then I I got these shredded paper. These are the decorative shred, and they come in the purple, green, pink color. These were on the Easter section for the Easter baskets and things like that. They were there. They were not on the party section where you usually have your solids like reds, blues, whites, and this one I like the colors. I got this one for my small business, which is I put it as packaging. I also got these 4 bamboo cutting boards. I want these for a special thing that I want to try and see how they turn out, and they're really cute and small. And then I also got these other ones. These I got 4 of them. They're the Crafter Square Pop Dot tape, and they comes in 3 pieces. So the 3 pieces are kind of like thicker, medium, and really thin, and I got 4 of these. I want to try to do the cake toppers with the craft paper. Ow! Did you saw I stabbed my eye with the craft paper, and I need these to layer on to the things. The next thing that I got were these finger protectors. They come 3 in a pack for whoever does little things. I got that one. Then I got this resealable bag, and it's they have 20 pieces in the baggie. And then the next thing is these 3 little packets are 5 in a piece or 5 in a bag. Are the mini glass containers, and they're literally glass. Thank you, Leila. They're literally glass like that. And I want those for a certain project that I have in mind. Then I got the index cards, and these are the 3x5. They have 200 count. I wanted the bigger ones, but I didn't find them. I only found these. And okay. And I wanted to show you that I got these things there. I finally found them. I got them on another round that I had got them, but I hadn't showed you. These cutting mats. They're for like, you can see I already used some for cutting, absolutely, for anything, paper, craft, anything. They're really nice, and they're really small for the ones that have small spaces. Very nice. And the last 2 pieces, which is kind of the same, is these that you saw at the beginning. These planters. They had this color, which is the grayish dusty color, and then they had like the terracotta pot color ones, and they're huge. Look at this. They're huge. For $1, you cannot go wrong with these ones. They're humongous, super duper big, and there were only 2 gray ones, and there were more terracotta color ones, but I just got 2 to see how my husband likes them. They're kind of on the flimsy side, but it is a planter, and then you can easily make the holes here where they have the excess for your water to drain out. But yeah, that is my Dollar Tree haul for this time around. Comment down below if you have gotten or seen these little boards at your Dollar Tree. I hadn't seen these for a while. And the big planters, have you gotten those? Or the storage container ones with the pretty pastel colors? Run and get them. Oh, or this one, literally new to me. I hadn't seen anybody else hauling this one either. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so. Click the little like button if you like these kinds of videos, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.